Hey, good morning, everyone. Brian Hoops here, Midwest Market Solutions, Market Insider TV. This is our opening commentary for Wednesday. It's October the 9th. Good morning, everyone. And we are off and running this morning. We have a little bit firmer prices noted overnight, and we'll have weekly EIA report today. Not many other reports coming out today. Of course, the supply and demand comes out on Friday of this week, export sales Thursday morning. Reminder this week, I'll be doing RFD TV 8:15 Central Time. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday morning, and next Monday. So string of 4 consecutive days, and doing commodity wrap podcasts this afternoon. Let's get into our overnight trade. Dollar is firmer in here, and this is one of the things we've been concerned about is this firming U.S. dollar is going to take another leg higher. And gold and silver pretty much have topped ever since the dollar has bottomed around September the 26th or 27th. Check that out on the charts. We look at that every night in our closing TV segment. Um, but the charts tell us that the dollar has bottomed and it's started an uptrend, which overall is bearish for commodities. We've seen a pullback in the grains. Part of that is due to the dollar. Part of that's changes in weather and some hedge pressure as well. But this dollar is a concern as we're moving higher here. Crude oil down slightly. Big moves yesterday in that market. Stock market a little bit softer here. And here's the gold and silver. Gold's slightly lower. Silver is up a little bit this morning. And the grains were two higher. Corn and soybeans off of session highs by almost a dime in November beans. Meal's a little bit firmer. And then the wheat. That's our upside leader here. 6 to 7 cent gains in Chicago, Kansas City wheat. Minneapolis up about 5 3/4. The wheat market could be the upside leader as there's no meaningful rain in the forecast for Russia's winter wheat growing regions. That planting window is starting to close, and it's very similar to here in the United States where there's no rain in the forecast for the Southern Plains. It's bone dry in a lot of areas. The ground's hard to get the crop seeded in the ground, and even if you do, it may just lay there for 2 weeks because there's not much rain in that forecast for the Southern Plains. All right, let's get into our slide here presentation, and make sure you follow us on Twitter, Midwest Markets, and at Brian Hoops for latest information. If you go to our website, you can sign up for a text message service and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's talk markets and what we have on tap for weather. So over the weekend, we saw rains in Brazil. More rains forecast for this week, and then those regular monsoonal type rains forecast for Brazil starting around mid-October. Now, a bust in these rain forecasts will give soybeans another run higher, and the European models are much wetter compared to the U.S. weather models for southern Brazil and Argentina. They're pretty much in agreement for northern Brazil that they're going to receive rains, but it's that southern Brazil and Argentina where the models are conflicting. So right now, it looks wet. Market's digesting that, and I think traded a lot of that yesterday. We're consolidating here with inside day session so far in the overnight trade. As far as the U.S., we're looking warm and dry at least next 10 days out. That allows this active harvest pace to continue, but keeps rain out of the winter wheat plains areas where it's badly needed. And so it's bullish for winter wheat prices and should be because of supply issues will be coming onto the forefront, but I think it's bearish for corn and soybeans as that crop gets harvested rather quickly. So the WASDE report comes out Friday morning, 11 o'clock Central Time. Corn yields expected to be 183.5, 183.3. I've seen both of those on different estimates. Last month we were 183.6, so the estimates that are coming out prior to this report are a little bit softer compared to last month. The corn crop will be the second largest in history at 15.1 billion bushels. Soybean production expected to be unchanged to lower. And we're still going to have the largest soybean crop in history, but the average trade guess is around 53 to 53.2. That's what we were last month. Some of the private analysts, including our company, are in the 184, 184 and a half range on the corn. So we're expecting to see bigger corn crop than the average trade guess. The small range of guesses does set us up for a surprise Friday morning. Ending stocks for corn expect to be right around 2 billion bushels, down from last month. Remember, the carry-in stocks will be down because of the quarterly stocks numbers that came out. Soybean stocks virtually unchanged last month, around 546 million bushels. Wheat unchanged, 820. Again, the small range of estimates compared to last month tells you we're probably going to have a surprise. Cattle fact show list is up 6,600 head for a total of 236,000 head, but cutouts have held in pretty well as packers have slowed their kill speeds this week, and we may see steady to maybe a dollar higher cash trade again. October futures continue to rally. They're up at 188.50, cash trade at 186. We haven't heard any deliveries yet, but they are a possibility now that we are trading premium to the cash markets, which I don't think we've done at all in 2024. Iowa Southern Minnesota weekly hog weights came in at 284.4 pounds, a little bit heavier than last week, but compared to a year ago, it's almost 3 pounds heavier than last year. And that continues to be a burdensome supply issue for the hogs, and it is for the cattle, as we're 35 pounds heavier than last year. All right, we're going to sign off here. Hope you have a chance to check out the TV segments. If not, we will be posting them to our YouTube channel later, as well as having midday commentaries. Our noon market news will be out on YouTube as well, and Twitter. So have a great day. Good luck, everyone, and good trading. Let us know how we can help you out.